In the equity quadrant, taking a look at the Nasdaq futures, the December Nasdaq futures are the worst performer on the day of the big four US stock indices, erasing all of yesterday's gains by late in the session and doing that on respectable volume. The Nasdaq futures contract has now fallen in 6 of the last 8 sessions and is down about 3.45% from its all-time high through where we sit right now with a little bit of time left in the session. The low today, 20,477, that was down 1.4%. The high, 20,843.25, that was up about a third of 1%. And again, with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still down 0.77%, or between 0.7% and 0.8%. Fed cuts are part of the reason, or I should say the ebbing away of the potential of more Fed cuts. Expectations for December rate cut have plunged, now standing at nearly a 50-50 probability for a cut in December. 52% for a cut and 48% for no change in rates as of right now, according to the CME Fed Watch tool, which of course gauges what the market is currently pricing in. Not only that, but we had Fed members like Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee, who still see anywhere from 125 basis points to 175 basis points of cuts by the end of 2025. However, the CME Fed Watch tool, and by default the market, only has a total of 75 basis points priced into the market by the end of 2025, which is weighing a little bit on upside momentum, especially in the Russell and the Nasdaq. Also, today after the close, we have NVIDIA reporting earnings. This is the world's largest company by market cap, and they have significant market moving potential. Stock options have priced in approximately an 8% move post earnings in either direction, and that kind of a move in this large of a stock could erase today's losses and put gains on top of it, or significantly add to them in the Nasdaq. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that as well.